Hello, this is Mega DR World. Today we are making rain. So for this video, we're going to need oil, blue paint. If you want snow, then you could use white paint. I'm using acrylic paint, popsicle sticks just to mix. If you don't have some, you can just use anything you want, and a jar of water. I chose glass because it looks clear. But in here, I've already started some paint because I was tempted. It's all messy in there, but it's mostly oil. So what we're doing is we're just taking a stick, anything you want to mix, and I'm just going to quickly mix it in. And as you know, oil is actually less dense than water, so it'll actually be floating. And paint is more dense than water, so it won't be floating. So if you give it a good mix, then it should look like this. It depends on how much ever blueness you want. I guess you could say that. But here we have the water and our mixed paint and oil mixture. So concentrate real close and it's gonna happen. See that? Now there are a bunch of paint, you see? It looks really weird. The oil is getting back up, but the paint is going back down. So that's pretty cool. So it's just going down and the oil particles will take it up. So as I told you, oil is less dense than water and paint is more dense than water. So I'll bring it closer to you. If you concentrate real close, the paint particles and the oil particles over here are getting mixed up. So if you give it a good amount of time, then it'll all turn blue. But it's looking pretty cool. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I made it short a little bit this time. And also remember to subscribe, comment, and rate. If you have any ideas that you want me to do, then remember to comment. And I will see you next time. Bye.